discover 20 genius woodworking tools on Amazon. You need to get now. A hand-picked collection of innovative time-saving gadgets that every woodworker will love. From precision measuring devices to powerful cutting tools, these smart inventions make woodworking faster, easier, and more accurate. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, these must-have tools will elevate your projects and transform the way you work in your workshop. Levoite Honing Guide. The Levoite Honing Guide is a precision-engineered sharpening jig built to deliver fast, consistent, and professional results for chisels and plane irons. CNC, machined from aircraft-grade aluminum with brass adjustment screws, it offers exceptional durability and accuracy. Its dual roller system ensures perfect stability, preventing tipping or uneven edges. The angle setting fixture allows precise bevel adjustments from 15 degrees to 45 degrees, with micro bevel options for ultimate sharpness. Compatible with various blade types and sharpening stones, it provides unmatched control and repeatability. Designed for both beginners and professionals, the Levoite Honing Guide ensures flawless edges every time and includes a lifetime warranty. HONGDUI MT Precision Aluminum T-Square. The HONGDUI MT Precision Aluminum T-Square MT2465 Pro is an advanced multifunctional measuring and layout tool designed for professional woodworkers seeking unmatched accuracy. Crafted from premium anodized aluminum alloy, it ensures long-lasting durability and perfect squareness. Featuring a 360-degree locking system, removable head, adjustable scribe guides, and interchangeable drill guide bushings. This tool excels in layout, marking, and drilling precision. Its fine pin trammel allows circle drawing, while laser engraved scales ensure easy readability. Combining the functionality of a T-square, ruler, scribing gauge, and trammel, the MT2465 Pro is the ultimate all-in-one precision instrument for detailed woodworking projects. EZARC Countersink Drill Set. The EZARC Countersink Drill Set is a versatile professional-grade toolkit engineered for both woodworking and metalworking. Each bit is designed to drill a pilot hole and create a clean countersink in one smooth motion, saving time and ensuring precision. Made from industrial-grade high-speed steel with a nitride coating, the bits deliver superior durability and wear resistance. Featuring adjustable depth control, efficient chip-clearing flutes, and a universal 1/4 inch hex shank. This set ensures clean, consistent results across a range of materials. Ideal for professionals and DI years alike, the EZARC set combines efficiency, accuracy, and long-lasting performance in one compact package. Mini Hedgehog Fence Featherboard. The Mini Hedgehog Fence Featherboard is a compact vertical use featherboard designed to deliver consistent hold-down pressure when cutting dados, rabbets, or grooves on a table saw or router table. Featuring a patented single knob adjustment and unique spiral design, it allows quick one-handed setup for various board widths. Made from durable DuPont nylon resin, it resists impact and wear. The Mini Hedgehog mounts easily to fences with 1/2 inch T-slots, reducing kickback and ensuring smooth, accurate cuts. Sold in a 2-pack, it's ideal for both professionals and hobbyists who value precision, safety, and efficiency in every woodworking project. COOLJOB PU Grip Gloves. The COOLJOB PU grip gloves are lightweight, breathable work gloves designed for comfort, flexibility, and reliable grip during light to medium duty tasks. Made with a 13-gauge, seamless polyester knit shell and a polyurethane coated palm, they provide excellent dexterity and bare hand sensitivity. The PU coating enhances grip without stickiness, while the breathable shell keeps hands cool. Featuring an elastic cuff for a snug fit, these gloves resist abrasion, oils, and solvents. Ideal for warehouse work, gardening, cleaning, and light construction, they are reusable, machine washable, and often sold in convenient bulk packs, making them both practical and cost-effective for everyday use. Powertec Dust Control Cuff. The Powertec Dust Control Cuff is a durable, flexible rubber coupler designed to create airtight connections between dust collection hoses, fittings, and equipment ports. Its pliable construction adapts to minor size variations, ensuring a snug, leak-free fit without the need for tape or permanent fasteners. Equipped with built-in steel clamps, it provides a secure and reusable seal ideal for frequent setup changes. Available in multiple sizes, the cuff works seamlessly with PVC pipes, blast gates, and reducers, making it perfect for connecting dust collectors to table saws, planers, and other woodworking machines. An essential accessory for maintaining a clean, efficient workshop. Povlen 5-in-1 Stud Finder. The Povlen 5-in-1 Stud Finder is an advanced electronic wall scanner designed for detecting studs, metal, pipes, and live AC wires with precision and safety. Featuring 5 scanning modes: stud, 1/2, 1 and 1.5 inches, deep scan, metal, and AC. It adapts to various wall types and materials. Its intelligent microprocessor, automatic calibration, and wire warning system ensure accurate, safe operation. The backlit LCD display, audio alerts, and ergonomic anti-slip grip make it user-friendly and reliable. Built from durable, shock-resistant materials, the Povlen Stud Finder is an essential tool for homeowners and DIYers tackling renovation or installation projects with confidence. Amazon Basics Wood Planer. The Amazon Basics Wood Planer, number 4, Smoothing Bench Hand Plane, is a budget-friendly option for hobbyists and DIYers tackling light woodworking projects. Built with a cast iron body for stability and a 2-inch steel alloy blade for general purpose smoothing. It delivers functional performance for basic tasks. Adjustable depth and alignment controls allow for simple fine-tuning, though additional sharpening or sole flattening may be required. While affordable and easy to handle, its quality control and precision may vary, making it less suitable for professional or high accuracy applications. Ideal for beginners, it's a practical tool for occasional small-scale woodworking jobs. MicroJig Router Guide. The MicroJig Grid. Router Guide is a precision-engineered, self-indexing tool that simplifies the process of routing dovetail clamp track grids for workbenches, jigs, and fixtures. As part of the match fit system, it eliminates manual measuring and marking by using its patented self-indexing design to automatically space grooves exactly 4 inches apart. Compatible with most standard routers, it ensures top-down visibility and effortless accuracy. Ideal for creating custom jigs and adjustable clamping setups, the guide transforms ordinary work surfaces into fully modular, versatile work-holding systems. Durable and efficient, it's a must-have for woodworkers seeking precision, speed, and flexibility. Neitra Router Setup Blocks. The Neitra Router Setup Blocks are precision machined aluminum tools designed to simplify and speed up machine setup for routers, table saws, and drill presses. Each block is CNC machined to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inch, ensuring reliable, repeatable results. Made from anodized aluminum alloy, they resist corrosion and wear while remaining safe against cutting edges. Laser engraved markings provide clear, long-lasting visibility. These stackable blocks can be combined for custom measurements, making them ideal for setting bit height, blade depth, and fence alignment. Stored neatly in a protective foam-lined case, Neitra setup blocks offer unmatched accuracy, efficiency, and durability for any woodworking setup. BeaverCraft Basswood Carving Blocks. The BeaverCraft Basswood Carving Blocks are premium quality wood blocks crafted for whittling and carving projects of all kinds. Made from high quality, untreated basswood, they offer a soft texture, fine grain, and smooth surface that make carving easy and enjoyable. Each block is sanded, knot-free, and ready to use straight out of the box. Ideal for both beginners and professionals, these blocks hold fine details beautifully and accept stains or paints for creative finishing. Available in multiple set sizes and dimensions, BeaverCraft Basswood blocks are perfect for carving figurines, ornaments, or detailed wood art with precision and ease. Fulton Woodworking Scraper Set. The Fulton Woodworking Scraper Set is a 7-piece kit that includes 6 precision card scrapers and a durable burnisher tool, designed to achieve smooth, professional wood finishes. The scrapers come in various shapes: 3 rectangular, 1 beveled, 1 curved, and 1 gooseneck, for tackling flat, contoured, and detailed surfaces. Each scraper is made to remove fine wood fibers cleanly without sanding. The burnisher, featuring a hardened high-carbon steel rod and ergonomic hardwood handle, creates a sharp burr for effective cutting. Ideal for both beginners and professionals, this versatile set ensures superior surface preparation and finishing control. Zirconia Sanding Belt Set. The Zirconia Sanding Belt Set is built for superior durability and performance, making it ideal for demanding sanding and grinding applications. Featuring zirconia alumina abrasive grains, these belts offer self-sharpening properties that maintain cutting efficiency throughout their lifespan. They're perfect for heavy stock removal on hardwoods, metals, and composites, delivering faster and cooler cuts than aluminum oxide belts. Constructed with a heavy-duty cloth backing and strong resin bond, they withstand high pressure and heat. Each set includes multiple grits for everything from aggressive shaping to fine finishing, making it a reliable choice for professionals and serious DIY users alike. Milescraft Angle Drill Guide Jig. The Milescraft Angle Drill Guide. Jig transforms any standard hand drill into a precision drilling station for angled or straight holes. Available in 2 versions, the number 1318 Drillmate and the number 1348. Drillmate Pro. It offers portability, control, and accuracy. The Drillmate features fixed angle presets: 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 90 degrees, a depth stop, and a V-groove base for round stock. The PRO model upgrades to infinite angle adjustment, 0 degrees to 60 degrees, an aluminum head with bronze bushings, a larger 1/2 inch chuck, and a dual spring system for smoother operation. Ideal for woodworkers, metalworkers, and DIYers seeking drill press precision in a compact, handheld design. TP Max 6-inch hook loop sanding discs. The TP Max 6-inch hook and loop sanding discs are affordable. High-performance abrasives ideal for general-purpose sanding across wood, metal, plastic, and fiberglass surfaces. Made with durable aluminum oxide grain, these discs provide a fast, consistent cut and long lifespan. The hook and loop backing ensures quick attachment and removal, while optional anti-clog coatings and dust extraction holes improve efficiency and cleanliness. Designed for 6-inch random orbital sanders, TP Max discs are heat-resistant, tear-resistant, and available in assorted grit packs for everything from coarse material removal to fine finishing, making them a reliable choice for professionals and DIY users alike. IDONG Hinge Hole Drill Guide. The IDONG Hinge Hole Drill Guide is a precision jig engineered to simplify the installation of concealed Euro-style cabinet hinges. Designed for 35mm and 26mm hinge cups, it features adjustable settings for edge margin 3 to 7mm, screw hole spacing, and drilling depth, ensuring perfect alignment every time. Built from durable aluminum alloy and engineering plastic, it provides excellent stability and long-lasting accuracy. The included 35mm Forstner bit with an adjustable depth stop delivers clean, consistent holes without over-drilling. Easy to use for both professionals and DIYers, the IDONG jig ensures flawless hinge placement on kitchen, bathroom, or furniture cabinet doors. Spear Jackson Block Plane. The Spear & Jackson Block Plane is a precision woodworking hand tool, ideal for trimming, chamfering, and fine finishing. Available in 6.5-inch CBP 65 and 9.5-inch CBP 95 models, it features a durable cast or ductile iron body for strength and stability. Its precision milled base ensures smooth, accurate operation, while the fully adjustable mouth allows fine or heavy cuts. The low-angle, high-carbon steel blade excels on end grain, reducing tear-out and delivering a clean finish. With a brass depth adjustment screw and comfortable single-handed design, this block plane offers excellent control and versatility for both professionals and hobbyists in detailed woodworking.